St. Joseph Public School, situates to the heart of Ennarpura Taluk. It works as an agent of change. It plays an important role in the integral growth of the students as well as the next generation. It lays foundation for future learning by providing a supportive and structured environment where children can acquire knowledge as an ICSE school. That it caters to different learning styles and educational philosophies, offering a wide range of options for parents and caregivers. It is on the process of getting affiliation for ICSE syllabus.
Everything I am, everything I am, everything I be, everything I be, I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankful. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do. Is a gift to you. Everything I am, everything I am, all you have given me, all you have given me, I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I. International news.
Once again, I welcome you all to Inspire 2023. I would like to take this opportunity to say thanks to the management for their support and encouragement. I wish all the very best to my kids and I thank my staff for their cooperation. All the best.
Hi everyone, I'm Cynthia from Class 8. I'm here to talk about the Welcome Day of 2023. The teachers welcomed us by singing a song, dancing, and provided us a motivational song. They treated us with a lively breakfast and badam milk. And as our opening surprise, they provided us a pencil.
What did you see here? My school rank holders. Badges are symbols of success. Our SJPs provided rank badges for all exams. It is a proud moment for us. We walked on corridor with our badges. Other students noticed us as rank holders. The students who did hard work and secured ranks are very happy. Not only the students, their parents are also happy and proud of their children.
Hi everyone, I'm Rushmaldi of Class 8. I'm elected as the head girl of St. Joseph Public School.
I'm Sam Paul of Class 7. I'm elected as head boy of St. Joseph Public School.
We are here to share our experience on Investor Ceremony.
It was a grand affair and the entire school was present.
The students who are invested with the responsibility of leading the school were called to the stage and granted with their respective badges by the guest.
It was a proud moment for the students elected council of St. Joseph Public School.
We are very proud to be the elected members of the student cabinet. We are very proud to be the house captains of St. Joseph Public School.
We are the house captains of St. Joseph Public School.
Leadership is a capacity to translate vision into reality. The election was held on 28 June 2023.
We are paid for votes. Finally, we are selected as house captains.
The Independence Day was celebrated on 15th August 2023. We celebrate this event with patriotic attire, song and dance performances. In the song event, William Shakespeare Group secured first place and Albert Einstein Group secured second place. And in the dance performances, Aryabhatta Group secured first place and William Shakespeare Group secured second place. That is, overall championship was secured by William Shakespeare's Group.
ಹೆಸರಾಯಿತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಉಸಿರಾಗಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಎಂಬ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಿಸಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಅರಿವು ಅಗಣಿತವಾದದ್ದು.
ಈ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರೇಮವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಬಲವರಿಸಿದೆ.
Hi everyone, I am Austin Babu, CC Captain of SJPS.
Hi everyone, I am Esther Shanoj, the CC Captain of SJPS. We are from class 7. Today, we are here to express the feelings of Children's Day, which was celebrated on 14th November. But due to the Diwali holidays, we celebrated on 17th November of Friday.
The teachers welcomed the Students' Council with love and pride. We felt proud at that moment.
Teachers entertained us with music, dance, songs, and all the SJPS students and parents enjoyed it. And they treated us with food items like fruit salad, gobi manchuri, ice cream, and a lot.
The 4 different groups had kept shops and games. The students also played the games.
Both students and parents won many prizes. To be honest, it was a heavenly day for all the students.
At the last, the teachers kept a grand surprise. The surprise was they danced with us.
And they sent us back to home with their blessing. Thank you, teachers.
The Teachers' Day celebration was a memorable day in this year. The school celebrated on 5th September 2023 with great joy.
The children welcomed us with a paper crown the moment we felt the kings and the queens of their life. They also performed a skit to show that how lively we will with them in the classroom.
The principal sister had extended her heartfelt thanks to the teachers for their dedication, sincere and hard work.
The school management has provided a gift for us to hydrate ourselves always. The school children have organized games to us, literally the day we enjoyed and played like kids.
Hi everyone, I am Jerome Anto from class 8.
I am Yashas from class 7.
We are here to share our experience about Gandhi Jayanti.
Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated on 2nd October in our school very devotefully.
By reading the holy scripts like Bible, Bhagavad Gita and Quran, we expressed our unity.
After the Pushparchana, we sang the Raghupati Raghava Rajaram with devotefully.
It was a meaningful event.
After the celebration, we had a good experience of Shramadana.
It was a delightful experience in our life.
Hello everyone, I'm Vegana and I'm Alpina from class 6th. We participated in plant presentation activity. I presented finger millet plant and I secured first place. I presented the rose plant and I secured the second place. From this, we learned how to take care of plant and scientific things of plants. Save plant, save us. Thank you.
We are from grade 2. We participate in flag making activity with Rangoli powder. We make Karnataka flag with yellow and red color. We play with colors.
Environment is everything that is around us. It is important to protect the environment for the survival of the planet and also for the living beings in it.
We gave the speech on Save Environment. This activity provided us a platform to enlighten everyone to save our environment for the future generation. Being 21st century kids, we need to focus on save our environment as it has been spoiling by human activities. Thank you dear teachers for giving an opportunity to know what's happening around us. Save Earth, save environment.
Drawing is an art to express one's thought. We took a part in drawing competition based on the theme Save Environment. It provided a chance to express our thoughts through art and colors.
Hello everyone, we from class 1 to 8.
We took part in reading activity on an account of National Reading Day on 19th June 2023. It gave a chance to read confidently. It improved our pronunciation.
Hi everyone, I'm Tanzima. I'm Janisha. I'm Sinsana. I'm Ritwik. I'm Adi. We are from class 8. We participated in tree modeling activities. We are very happy to be the part of the tree modeling activity. We secured first place.
I secured second place.
We secured third place.
We were able to present our creativity in front of everyone.
Hi everyone. my first acting experience and also sung a song. I did not think that I can act or sing. This encouragement was given by our beloved class teacher Alexa. He helped us and guided us. I realized that I can do anything and I secured.
Hi, I'm Preeti Abraham. I had participated in a singing competition. Because of this chance, confidence had increased in me. After this, I had participated in many other events and secured prizes. I give thanks to Alexa to guide me and support me. I thank you.
We won the cup!
Hi guys, we are celebrating our Children's Sports Day. It's a day to show our children sportsmanship and strength. Our children are very happy this day. We are also enjoying our children's.
We are the students from class 7 and 8.
We are visited to the police station in Anarpura on 25th November. They explained us how the police station works and the ranking system of Indian police.
The explanation and clarification were given by Mrs. A.S.I. Chaudhary.
We also met Sub-Inspector Niranjan Gowda and other staffs.
It was a worthwhile visit.
Hats off to the Indian Police. Jai Hind!
STBS is going to install a new science and mathematics lab to conduct experiments. This is a symbol of STBS is spreading its wings in all aspects. Practical way of learning will be permanent where we use the hands-on experiments.
Hello everyone, we are the staff of SJPS. We had received Teachers Enrichment Program on May 22nd, 2023 by Mrs. Bindu from Bangalore.
To run this academic year in an effective way, it was a very informative session.
Training gave us the opportunity for the continuous professional development. We learned new strategies, skills, methods and tools.
With the resource person guidance are very useful to teachers and it is provided us to present very confidently.
In learning, you will teach, and in teaching, you will learn. Orientation program. To enrich teachers' knowledge, the school management organized one-day orientation program on 13th November 2023. Mr. Saji was resource person who boosted the teacher knowledge and guided the teachers about CISE education system.
This course was an eye-opener that we teachers play a crucial role in molding students with knowledge, skill and resources to excel in their studies. Thank you.
These classes gave us valuable guidance and support for teachers as they embarked on their teaching journey. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೆಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ದೀಪ್ತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರೇ, ಪೋಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ, ದೀಪ್ತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನೀಡಲು ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವುದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತವಾದ ಶಾಲಾ ಕೊಠಡಿಗಳು, ಆಟದ ಮೈದಾನ, ಪ್ರಯೋಗಶಾಲೆ, ವಾಚನಾಲಯ ಹಾಗೂ ನುರಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು ಶಾಲೆಯು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪಥದತ್ತ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವು ಪೋಷಕರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ದೇಶದ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಪಡಿಸಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಗುರುತರವಾದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯು ಪೋಷಕರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಉತ್ತಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪೋಷಕರು ಸಕ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ.